Hello, my name is Stephen Ferguson, and this is a presentation on the Herrerasaurus Ischigualastensis for Geology 305. This dinosaur's scientific name, as seen on the first slide, is the Herrerasaurus Ischigualastensis. It simply goes by the common name Herrerasaurus, which simply means Herrera's lizard. Because the Herrerasaurus is one of the earliest dinosaurs discovered, its formal classification was largely unknown for a long period of time, as its discovery was found from many fragmentary remains. The Herrerasaurus belongs to the genus of the Herrerasaurus, which is part of the Saurischian clade during the late Triassic period. It was initially speculated that the Herrerasaurus belonged to the Saurishia or Dinosauria clades. Scientists Paul Sereno and Thomas Holtz also hypothesized to be a clade of the early theropod dinosaurs, which were ancestors of the Ornithischia and Sauropodomorphia clades as well. The Herrerasaurus is considered the theropod's biggest member. However, it was not until 1988 when a complete skull was discovered in San Juan, Argentina. Its classification was then formalized to be part of the Saurischian family. Some characteristics of the Herrerasaurus shares with the Saurischian include long necks, coupled with a partially opposable thumbs, in addition to being a lizard-hipped dinosaur originating from the Upper Triassic of Argentina and Brazil. The Herrerasaurus was one of the earliest dinosaurs. Fossils from the Herrerasaurus were found in Argentine deposits during the Carnian period, also known as the Late Triassic epoch, roughly 228.7 to 119.6 million years ago. In this picture is an artist's rendering of what the late Triassic period might have looked like. The majority of the Herrerasaurus findings have been found as fossil deposits in the Patagonia region of Argentina. As mentioned previously, these fossils were found in Argentine deposits during the Carnian epoch, roughly 228 million years ago. The Ischigualasto Formation, which is where the fossils were discovered, was a volcanically active floodplain which was covered with forests and was at risk of heavy rainfall. Deposits of sandstones, mudstones, and conglomerates were distributed into a humid alluvial floodplain, which created the heavy storms. The climate in this region mostly consisted of moist and warm temperatures, which was ideal for the Herrerasaurus. Despite sharing body shapes similar to carnivorous dinosaurs, the Herrerasaurus lived primarily during a time of reptiles, rather than dinosaurs, which was also a significant shift in the Earth's ecology. Other early dinosaurs the Herrerasaurus lived close to include the Aeroraptor as well as the Saurosuchus in the jungles of the late Triassic South America. In this picture is the Val Pintado of the Ischigualasto Formation, which is found in the San Juan region of Argentina. The diet of the Herrerasaurus consisted of carrion, eggs, baby dinosaurs, tree-inhabited animals such as birds, monkeys, sloths, and ocelots. It has a flexible and hinged joint in its lower jaw, which it uses to its advantage for getting a strong grip on its prey. Unlike other theropods, which typically only have 3 fingers on each hand, the Herrerasaurus has 5 fingers. Its thumb and first 2 fingers have sharp claws, which it uses to its advantage for grasping prey or latching onto branches. Although the Herrerasaurus was an early eat-meating carnivore, scientists speculate that it was likely not the apex predator in its ecosystem of family of dinosaurs, but rather survived consuming both Hyperodopaedon and Ischigualastia, while also being hunted and consumed by present predators higher in the food chain such as Postosuchus and Saurosuchus, and more. The types of dinosaurs the Herrerasaurus consumed likely included small to medium-sized dinosaurs, select groups of reptiles such as the rhinoceros, and herbivorous reptiles which resembled mammal-type features known as cynopids. As for social habits, the Herrerasaurus was social and outgoing. It preferred social groups and populations ranging between 1 and 5 members, and populations of up to 20 other distinct dinosaurs. This concludes my presentation on the Herrerasaurus Ischigualastensis.